Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Android phone battery drain. If your battery is too drain and it's too slow, let's go dive in. You go to your settings and here, click on the battery to search for our battery. First, if you are able to find the battery, just click on it and search. Then everything about battery is going to pop up on our screen. So let's wait for it to pop up. Then we can now go and set. This is it. Now, if your battery is being drained, you can use battery saver to save your battery. You can just click on it, and this is it. Whenever your battery is to extend, maybe you have some percent that is very low on your phone, and you needed that phone not to shut down, you can use your battery saver for it, and that is it. You will reduce the battery drain when you're using your battery saver. So it's going to off some apps that are draining your battery, and if you don't want to use that option, we can come here to adaptive battery. Now here, when you click on your adapter, you can see this is it. It's going to detect power usage by apps to improve battery efficiency. You can use this one. Just turn it on. When you turn it on, it's going to what? It's going to adapt your battery to below. And this was short video optimization. You can also turn this one up to on too. So this is it. It's going to help your battery to be more longer than usual. So let's go back here now, and you can also come here and see this battery. Let's wait for it. Okay, this is it. Battery optimization. You can go to the a special app that have your battery. You can see just click on this battery optimization, and this is it. These are the things that will eating your battery. So you can just optimize it here. Not optimize. So you can optimize all apps, and it's going to reduce the battery consume. But let's go back. We'll still do another thing to increase our battery life. Let's see, go back. Okay, this is battery usage. Now let's see what is using our battery mostly. Click on your battery usage, and you can see. So this is it. Once you can set your battery to whenever the battery is 30%, is going to load down some apps from working. So you can set all your battery drainage on this very easily. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.